everyone. It's been a long time since I've done one of these. So this is the first unboxing that I've done in a while. And it's a bit of, I suppose it's a bit of a twofer really. So it's the, well, I'll just show you the box. We know what this means. This is a Lego brick style box. I've had these on reminder for a long time because you know how much I love my superstars, and I had to get these ones because they were so unique. And obviously I'll do a bit of a kind of close up kind of look at them, but it's the Adidas superstar kind of Lego edition, and it isn't the Lego superstars, you know, the brick box that is behind here. Also I have them here. I had to get these. How did I get this, I should say? It is just the one shoe. Look, hasn't been built yet, hasn't been opened. This is going to be an interesting addition to the sneaker collection because it's a Lego sneaker, but I like Lego and I like sneakers, so there you go. That'll be interesting to build. That'll be a separate video. That'll be, I might even film myself building this if I'm feeling next level insane. So I'm going to turn the camera around, point at the shoes. We'll do a very quick, well, sorry, a very kind of like a bit more of an in-depth kind of look at it, because they are totally different from what you would normally expect to see. But you'll see. Anybody who hasn't already seen it, you'll see. Bear with me. I'm going to turn you around. So here we go, turned you around so we can see what's what. Let's get these slid out. Thankfully, not a two-person job. Now already you can see from the shell, these are a different kettle of fish. Look at that. I haven't tried fitting other bits of Lego onto it. I imagine, seeing as it's a standard Lego fit, that you could probably attach different bits of Lego to it. Whether or not that's a good idea or not for kind of standard wear remains to be seen. As you can see as well, it is a slightly harder plastic instead of the normal kind of rubber that you would see. Obviously the stripes present and correct, really cool kind of zigzag effect, which again with the Lego dots on them, the raised Lego dots, you've got some zigzag stitching on there as well, which again is totally kind of unique to this style. Some kind of differentiation on the back there as well. All this is raised, as you can see as you turn it. It is a raised kind of trefoil kind of design. Needs a bit of a dust. This is the trouble with kind of black shiny plastic effect. It probably shows the dust up quite a bit, so this will be one of these things that will stay boxed, but these will be worn because superstars wear very well, very comfortable, as we all know. Turn around a bit, move the tag out of the way. So again, similar zigzag stitching on the side. You've got that raised, those raised dots on the zigzag stripes again, and the raised superstar kind of working again with its own kind of raised dots on the side. As you can see, all of the attention to detail, all the Lego kind of branding on the raised dots is there, as you would expect to see from any kind of Lego brick, and it's the same, much the same on the rest of the shoe, especially on the back there. Inside, obviously you've got the gold tongue, which I always like the gold ones. Inside, yellow. Oh, we'll get you upside down. There we go. Get the laces out of the way. Lego insole, which seems to be, I haven't got much in the way of the other Lego shoes. In fact, I've got none. But I imagine that they'll all have a similar kind of insole and I imagine it's obviously the padding and stuff inside the heel cushion and It's all what you would expect from a normal kind of superstar shoe. Leather, high quality. Really, really good. Standard grips there, nothing different on the bottom there. Now, the other shoe's the same, obviously. That was the box closing. On the other hand, we've got this. Which, again, this isn't going to be an in-depth thing. This is, I actually thought when I opened them up, side by side, because I got them both at the same time, this was the buildable shoe, and this was the standard. This is because obviously this is a Lego. This is a standard kind of superstar sized kind of Adidas box. This is obviously a kind of almost kind of collector style box there. Pop it open as you would do a normal thing. Now I'm not going to open this up because it's a box within a box. This will be something separate. This will be a separate review once it's kind of built. And again, I might even do the a video of it being built. But I do like the look of it. I haven't seen one built yet, so it'll be nice to kind of see one in my hands. And obviously, you've even got the kind of shell toe effects. You've got the stripes. You've got the gold on the tongue. It is probably as close as you'll ever get to a shoe. But it looks tidy. I like it. That's it for now. It was just a quick one. This will go on. I'll probably put this on kind of today. Hopefully, we'll do it as I'm going to make a playlist for you to kind of look through of the superstar unboxings that I've done so far, including this one, the Bape ones, the Bathe and Ape ones, and the future shells, which is still racking up kind of views even as we speak. Thanks for all those who sub. Obviously, everyone who leaves comments, very much appreciated. This is it for now. Enjoy your day, and thanks for watching.